it's Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and today I'm going to be planning in my classic vertical happy planner. And I am excited this week because it's the launch of Stephanie Fleming's book, Plan a Happy Life. So that's kind of going to be my theme here. So let's get started. What I've done is I've pulled a couple of stickers out that I really want to try to use. And let me tell you where I got these from. So this little Plan a Happy Life with the disc came from this planner babe. I might leave this kind of handy in case I need to grab something from it. These little planners I grabbed out of the Happy Illustrations book. And I also used Bookish, this one, for all of these book themed ones. And then I used Stephanie's new sticker books, and these come out on the 25th. I grabbed this Plan a Happy Life, the Appointments, Brain Dump, and this Goal Plan Evaluate. So again, I'm gonna leave these handy because I'm probably gonna grab some extra ones of those. So let's see, first up, I'm going to grab some boxes, these, as well as some extra ones, and put those important plans down first. Okay, first up I'm gonna grab this one because it's got a lot of boxes. I realized I was gonna grab my colorful boxes, and there's actually boxes in this one. So I think I'm gonna use this. So let's see, first let me put down my appointments that I have. So let me grab my little paper piercing tool. I found my OG one. This is like, I don't even know, super old, but it's a heavy metal one with a thicker needle. Let's see if I can use this one. Alrighty, let me grab this sticker up. So this appointment I've got Monday morning, so I'm gonna put that one there. And then I've got another one for another appointment on Friday. So let me grab that. And we will put this here. Okay, so those are the two appointments that I have for sure. And then we've also got a birthday. Let me see. Let me grab a big, let's see, a big box here for that one. Or maybe this green one would be good. Oops. Alrighty. And I will put this here. I might even have it go out of the box this way. There we go. Okie doke. So we've got those down. And then I'm going to put this Plan a Happy Life, because again, the book is coming out, and I believe you can order it on the 25th, but the actual release date, when you can get it in your hot hands, is on the 26th. So I'm gonna I might overlap it this way. Whoa, that's crooked. Let me re-put this one down. Okay. Alrighty, and we'll try again. Let's see if I can be more careful. Maybe if I use this line to help me. There we go. That's better. Okay. So we've got that down, and then I'm gonna thinking about putting this right here. This, the world was hers for the reading. That might be cute. Yeah, it looks pretty good there. Let me add a box so that I can put that the book is releasing. Let me pick a fun color. How about this hot pink? This looks good. So we'll grab this one, and I will put it kind of overlap here. And then we'll put this, the world was hers for the reading. I really liked it because, I mean, obviously the whole book theme, but I liked that the colors match too. So we'll kind of put that there. And then I'm gonna put this book here. I'm really excited for the Fireside chats that are happening. They're coming up this week with Stephanie. I think that'll be a lot of fun to really kind of get into the book and start doing the work. Okay, let's see. How about this is Plan a Happy Life. I thought it'd be cute, kind of overlapped. Let's try that. Might be a lot of pink situation going on. Let me see if I have another one of those. That came out of Planner Babe. So I might grab a different color version because when I was thinking of doing that, I didn't know which color was gonna go here. And I just feel like that's a lot of pink. So let me grab this off and we can put a new one. I just thought it looked really cute with the title of the book to be kind of on the little book jacket. So how about a teal? Well, or a yellow? I'm trying to do a color that's not already on the page. So let's see. Let me try this yellow, or maybe, yeah. Let's see what this looks like. It's kind of a peachy color. I'll put that there. Okay. And then let's see, we've got those book club Fireside chats on Michael's. So there's the first one is the 24th. So I'm gonna grab that. And I wanted to grab a little planner along with it. I liked the stripes of the planner. I thought it would be really cute. So we can put this to denote the actual book club. Cute. And then, so there's one on the 24th. I believe there might even be one on the 26th. So let's see. I'll grab this yellow one. And we'll just put that in another one of these planners with the rainbow discs. I'll put it here. Oh, I went up too far up onto Wednesday. Let's move this down just a little bit. Alrighty, put it right here. Oh my gosh, it does not want to stay. There we go. With the little book. All right, and then the next one is the 27th. So I'm gonna grab my last little planner and put him, let's see, put this back down. Let's put him right here. There we go. And I used, this came out of Bookish, these boxes, and they have the little book on them, so I thought they'd be perfect way to put the Fireside chat there in the planner. Okay, so I've got that down. This is like really decorated right here and just in this middle part. But that's gonna be okay. Now when I was flipping through to look for this new sticker, I saw in here some birthday stuff, and I think this would really match our spread and kind of go with the theme. Let me see, I think I saw some more. Here they are. So I really like the way that cake looks. I'm trying to decide. These are really fun. Is there, let's see the colors we've got. Let's take a look. I really want to do more of course I want the teal, and there's not a teal birthday. Let's look and see if over here there was one. Well, there's a cake. We could go with that. Or I could keep it monochromatic and have green. I think, you know what, let's go for teal. I just think it'd be fun to have a new, or this one, a new pop of color in there. Let's go for the purple one. Okay. And let's see where we put that. How about right about there? Okay, that's good. Oh, we could even add this little celebrate. There we go. Okay. And let's see. So now we've got an appointment here, and then I've got the weekend Did I have any other? I kind of wanted to balance some of this over here. So I'm gonna maybe add this goal plan evaluate box. I feel like that would kind of bring this over here, which I know is a big theme in the book. I'm really excited to get into, you know, the work of the book, because it's not just like a book you read and move on. It's a book that you actually need to kind of do some personal work and just really put in that effort. So I'm really excited to do that and to learn about myself and plan my happy life, right? Okay, so I'm going to use some of this washi, some old Mambi washi, and I'm going to, I love to cut it like at these angles. So I'm gonna, it'll add some stripes on this side. So this might be cute to put right there. Whoa. Man, stripes are not forgiving. I've got them kind of crazy there. There we go. There. Okay, so I've got that. And then, let's see. I feel like another quote would be really good over here. So let's flip through here really fast and just see. There's so many things that coincide with the book. So I'm really excited to get into the meat of that book. And I know some people have found it early, but the rest of us, we will wait, right? So we'll have that book on Wednesday. I know some people pre-ordered it, so I think like from Amazon, and they'll be able to send it right out on that. I think they ship on the 25th. Now the Happy Planner is going to have all of these items available on their site on the 25th as well. So I just love all of the colors and design and just the themes and messages in this line. It's just so good. So let's see. I think it's tough. I can't pick which quote I want to use. I feel like I need some color over here. I've got the goal plan evaluate. So how about this? Ooh, I can't, nope, that's the same words. I don't want to use that one. How about just start? This one's tough for me. I'm always like, I gotta wait until it's perfect. And I know I've got to just start. I'm going to white out what's behind this arrow right here. There we go. Perfect. Okay. I like it. And this is really cute too, this Hustle for Your Happiness. I like this. So I'm gonna put it right underneath. Alrighty, and then I'm gonna add one more box up here, and then I think it looks good. Every time I say I'm done, I'm not done. So I'm trying to train myself, don't say it. Don't say you're done yet, because you never are, Marielle. You always say that. Okay, let's see what we've got. Let me add a box right there. I don't want to do, I think I'm going to add one of these. I love a good checklist, so I think this will be really good to add for Thursday so that I can get some of this stuff done. Okay. I think it's good. So it's really bright and colorful, but I think it's functional and I can get a lot done this week, and I've still got room to add. I always like to leave a little bit of space. Now, Wednesday, no. There's no space. But the rest of the week we've got some space. So again, thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments, and have a great week. Thanks. Bye-bye.